Welcome. In today's video, we're going to talk about a handy little setting inside the WhatsApp app on PC. If you've noticed that whenever you type something like a smiley face, WhatsApp automatically changes it into an emoji, you might find that convenient, but for some people, it can get a little annoying. Maybe you prefer your text symbols exactly as they are, without being swapped out for colorful emojis. The good news is that WhatsApp recently added an option to completely control this, and turning it off only takes a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app on your computer. Once it's open, look down at the bottom left-hand corner. There, you'll see a small gear icon, which is the Settings button. Go ahead and click on that. Inside Settings, you'll see several options. What you're looking for is General, so click on that to open the menu. This section contains a handful of useful adjustments that let you customize how WhatsApp behaves, and fortunately, the option we want is right here. Now, under the General tab, you'll find a section called Typing. This is where all the preferences for how your keyboard input is handled are located. Take a look at the feature labeled Replace Text with Emoji. By default, this option is switched on, which explains why your text smileys are being replaced automatically. To stop that from happening, all you need to do is disable this option. Just click the switch so that it turns off. That's it. From now on, anything you type, whether it's a classic text smiley-like or any other combination, will stay exactly as text instead of being turned into an emoji. This little setting can make a big difference if you prefer keeping things simple, or if you just like using the classic text shortcuts without interference. So that's how easy it is to prevent WhatsApp on PC from replacing text with emoji. Remember, open WhatsApp, click the gear icon, go to General, and under Typing, disable the setting. Once you do this, you're fully in control of how your messages look. Thanks for watching.